Default text from high-speed lasers to DIY rug guns. Here are 5 amazing machines that will make you rich in 2026. Default text stop knitting by hand. This tiny adapter just changed the game for 2026. Attach this power gear adapter to your Centro machine. Connect your electric drill. And boom, you can now produce a professional-grade winter beanie in less than 5 minutes. Cost just $2 in yarn. Sale price? $25 to $30 on Etsy or Amazon. It's the fastest home business right now. The link to this setup is in the description. Subscribe for more money-making machines. Machine number 2 is a total game changer for the custom gift industry. Meet the 805 UV DTF printer. And like regular printers, this beast doesn't just print on paper. It creates high-quality 3D textured stickers that you can transfer onto almost anything. Glass bottles, wooden phone cases, metal tumblers, or even acrylic signs. If it has a hard surface, you can brand it. Default text. The best part, no heat press is required. Just print, peel, and stick. The prints are waterproof, scratch-resistant, and won't fade. Whether you're starting a small label business or a full-scale branding agency from your garage, this A4K3 powerhouse is your best investment for 2026. Default text. Setting it up is incredibly easy, and the profit margins are huge. You can produce hundreds of custom decals for just a few cents each, and sell them as premium branding kits. If you want to dominate the personalized merchandise market this year, the 805 UV DTF is your shortcut to success. Default text. Don't miss out on this trend. Check the link below to get started, and wait until you see machine number 3, default text. Default text. It's efficient, reliable, and built for serious entrepreneurs. Ready for the next one. Machine number 3 is a beast in a small box. Meet the Raymoto R1 Pro, a 20-watt portable fiber laser that's taking the DIY world by storm. It's compact, incredibly fast, and designed for high-precision engraving on metals and hard plastics. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this machine makes professional engraving look easy. Default text. Check this out. You can create stunning, custom metal fridge magnets in seconds. In the US and Europe, personalized metal souvenirs or high-ticket items. With its 20-watt power, you can engrave deep, permanent designs that never fade. It's not just a hobby. It's a high-profit business that fits right on your desk. Default text. Setup is a breeze, and an engraving speed is insane. If you want to dominate the custom gift market in 2026, this is your tool. The link is in the description, but stay tuned, because machine number 4 is a creative masterpiece you don't want to miss. Default text. What makes the R1 Pro special is its industrial-grade stability and advanced cooling system. It can run for hours without losing precision, making it perfect for bulk orders of custom tags and jewelry. It's truly a professional factory that fits in your backpack. For text. The ROI, or return on investment, for the R1 Pro is incredible. Because it's portable, you can take it to craft fairs, weddings, or local markets and offer engraving while you wait services. People love watching the laser work, and they are willing to pay a premium for instant personalization. You're not just buying a machine, you're buying a portable money-making studio that pays for itself in just a few weeks. Default text. Check out this beautiful pink powerhouse. This is the 2-in-1 electric rug tufting gun, and it's a total game changer for DIY creators. It works on 110 to 240 volts, making it perfect for anywhere in the world. With just one switch, you can toggle between cut pile and loop pile to create different textures for your custom designs. Default text. Default text. But here is the secret. You're not just making rugs. This machine is perfect for creating giant 3D tufted patches and badges for jackets, bags, and wall art. It's fast, lightweight, and allows you to draw with yarn just like a pro. Imagine turning any logo or character into a fluffy, high-end badge in minutes. Finally, at number 5, we have the most versatile budget machine, the 58mm button badge maker. This isn't just for pins. It's a manual powerhouse that allows you to create professional-grade merchandise in less than 10 seconds. It's simple, durable, and requires zero electricity to run. Default text.